and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new, hey, welcome to my channel. So y'all, in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I did a complete full set of nails on myself, by myself, with no other help, y'all. This video turned out pretty interesting, so I hope you guys stay to the end to see how they turned out. But make sure you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and let's get into this video. And that's on period. So right here, I end up hydrating my nails. I did not put any primer on my nails because I needed to pop these things off as soon as I got done. I most definitely got my hydrating from Mia Secret. I'm gonna make sure I leave the link down in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase that in Amazon. And the nail design I decided to go with is most definitely a ombre, so it's gonna be the white at the top and the pink at the bottom kind of ombre. So that's the look we're gonna be trying to do today, and it's gonna come out cute. girl, so I end up going in with my chisel, most definitely acrylic powder, y'all. This powder is the truth, okay? But I had to really test out this powder because I have a new acrylic brush. As you guys can see, it held the Mia Secret acrylic good. But y'all, when it comes down to different acrylic powders and different type of brushes, you have to see how they work together. And meaning as, like, I could have a different kind of brush. I could use the same acrylic, but the brush won't hold the acrylic. Does that make sense? Y'all, let me know if it don't make sense. But certain brushes cannot hold certain type of acrylics good enough, and then it don't come out as it's supposed to come out. So I had to most definitely test it. But y'all, it most definitely held it up really good. I honestly like the outcome of it. My thumb is going to be messed up because I tried to use the chisel acrylic powder pink, but it was a different shade and I did not like it. It came out so white that I really had to drill it off my thumb. So you guys are going to be seeing that part too. But yeah, this just all is a trust the process kind of thing. Start on my right hand application, y'all. I started doing my left hand first just to get a test run to see how good I was going to do my left hand, and y'all, I felt like I did pretty damn good. So now I'm going in with my right hand with the application part, and let's just see how this turns out. Trying to file and drill with my left hand was so doggone difficult, y'all. Like, I really had a hard time with that. just because I am right-handed. So that's a downfall when it comes down to doing your own nails. So this is the finishing look, and I feel like as a beginner nail tech, I most definitely did that with these nails. But y'all, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Also comment what you guys want to see from me next. Make sure you guys like, comment. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye girlies.